Hello, fifth grade. Today is Friday, October 2nd. Today in class, we practiced a Google Meet, and I gave students time to finish reading the story. So finish reading Airborne in your textbook. We reviewed a little bit about anything good or bad that had happened in the story. And then I assigned these two assignments. Those can be found on Google Classroom. When you click the assignment, you can see that, oops, that's the wrong place. You can find the PDF for the OO and U right here. And all you have to do is use the OO words and the U words to put in the correct sentences for 1 through 8. And then on the other assignment, these are your vocabulary words from this story, and you just have to kind of finish the sentence. So it says, I began to panic when I found out, and just think of anything that would make you panic. When I found out goblins were coming into the school. Our sailboat was far out at sea when a favorable wind, what happened? What'd the favorable wind do? Excuse me. She glanced through the porthole and saw what's something somebody would see when they look through a porthole. So not everybody's going to have the same answers for these. And that's pretty much it. Make sure that you take your spelling test today. The new list has not been sent out yet. That's all right. We'll do it on Monday. Have a good weekend.